Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this high back folding camping chair that I got sent out for review. It comes in this nice compartment case that you can see that everything is foldable. Here it is how you can put together your camping chair very easily. Okay, so here are like the legs and the back part, and also like the fabric part and the anti-slippery pads that it will go on the legs, on the bottom of the legs, to make it stable. Okay, so as you can see, it is really easy to put the legs and also just unfold them and pull it a little bit so it will be actually the height that you want it. Okay, here you can adjust the height of the chair, the bottom of the chair, and the highest part is what is going to hold your back, and the other ones are for the armrest. Okay, so as you can see, it has 4 legs, and each of the legs they have like a kind of a ball that will be inserted into these stabilizers on the bottom, and you need to push them through these legs, and then you will be able to put it together here. Okay, so this is how it will look like without the fabric on top. Okay, now that let's go ahead and add the fabric right here. You just put it on the back rest and pull it through, and then you just adjust it so you can add the bottom parts right here. It is really easy to put it, just need to pull it and make a little bit of a strain right here, but it is fairly easy just to add this part to the chair. Okay, you just need a little bit of a strain right there. And here is how the chair looks like once that it's put together. You can sit down, and you will also be able to use the side pockets. It has 2 side pockets on both sides. These are mesh pockets, and the fabric of this chair, it is really sturdy and resistant. Here are the mesh pockets, and it has like a long backrest, and also has like a back cushion that it's meant for you to rest your head on it. Okay, so it is really, really nice. The material looks really durable, and this is how one can look like when you are using it. We got it in color black, but they have it in green and also in khaki, also in green, black, and that's it. I love it, and I think that we will be using it for camping because it has a nice back and headrest.